Hey, what's up? Thanks for tuning into the video today. I gotta go to the post office and I want to take you with me because I want to talk about something I've been thinking about a lot lately. And it's this idea that you don't have to have it all figured out right now. All right, let's talk about it. What's up, girl?
About to do school, but I just want to snack with it. And while mommy's up here, I need help with the jelly.
I'm getting ready to run to the post office and film a vlog on the go. Working while content creating. I'm just gonna try that so I can have a vlog for tomorrow that don't involve me trying to do a birthday and all the usual things.
Well, you might want to jacket on foot outside.
It's cold?
Yeah, it's like 40 degrees.
Dang. All right, I'll get my jacket.
I got something I gotta tell you, so get ready for another breakthrough.
All right, see what I'm saying?
Let me show you what I mean. Cause what I got is the new thing.
All right, let's see if I can do this without wrecking my car. So here's my confession. Maybe you're like this, maybe not. I don't know. Hopefully I'm not alone in this, but I tend to overthink everything. I don't think thinking about a thing is bad and trying to like plan out stuff, but it's dangerous when your overthinking leads to inaction. I can't tell you how many ideas I have on paper that are just ideas still because I've, what do they call it? Analysis by paralysis. I've overthought the thing to pieces, trying to figure out all the little things to put in place, all the people that need to be involved, all the money that has to be involved, all the steps, and I'm sick of it. I'm done. I am tired of it. So I've got some new thoughts about this that I want to share with you in just a second that I think are going to help me and maybe even help you get unstuck from your overthinking.
I can tell you without a doubt, I'll make a break for it right now.
I think one of the major challenges that comes with all of this is that, you know, we live in a world right now where everybody and their mama is putting all the details of their lives on the internet, myself included. I show you guys a lot of what I got going on. And the challenge with that is when you're watching everybody else live out their dreams and celebrate their wins and, you know, do all these things, it's easy to feel like you're behind or like you're stuck because you're not achieving all those things. And it can make you feel like you don't know all the things you're supposed to know, or you're not going to all the places you're supposed to be going, or you're not doing all the things that you're supposed to be doing. And that's simply not true. Your life is your life.
I can tell you without a doubt, yeah. I'll make a break for it right now.
But here's the deal. The reality is, most of these people that we look up to, that we're like, oh, they're the guru, or they're the, I don't know, whoever it is that you're looking up to, they don't have it all figured out either. Yes, they may have achieved some form of success or gotten certain accolades, you know, and that's all great. But I guarantee you, no matter who you're looking up to right now, there's some challenge in their life or in their business or in their ministry or their family or whatever that they're trying to work through and they don't have the answers. And I also guarantee you that when they first started their thing, they definitely didn't have all the answers.
I can tell you without a doubt, yeah. I'll make a break for it. I'll make a break for it right now.
Right, so if you're like me, how do people do this? This is walking and talking and doing life and vlogging, like, it's harder than it looks. If you're like me and you're tired of like overthinking everything and just like letting all your dreams live on paper and not living out loud, I got one piece of advice for you, my friend. It's very simple. Just start. All right, take the first step. Don't worry about steps 2 to 2 million. Just worry about step 1. If it's researching a thing, if it's signing up for a class, hitting record on your podcast microphone, writing the first line of your book, just take the first step. It might look ugly at first. Shoot, it might even look ugly for a while, but that's okay. Ain't nobody out here judging you, so just go for it. Trust God and take the first step. All right, he will lead you the rest of the way. My name is Godfrey. I hope you're having a phenomenal, I mean just stupid awesome day. If not, I hope it gets better. Thanks so much for watching this video, and as always, I'll talk to you soon. Peace.